What's up, everybody? Nolan of Black Diamond Services. I am out at a apartment complex. I just did a couple dryer vents. So what we got going on here was quite the interesting issue. The owners weren't aware of it. They had me do one of the other properties, and so when I got here, this piece, it was sitting inside of here, and then this attachment, as you can see, was taped to the wall. So what was going on for who knows how long is it was just blowing all the lint into the wall. And the same idea was with this one, and I told them I'd temporarily put something here so it would be back going through the dryer vent like it's supposed to and not into the wall. So I don't always do a lot of dryer vents, but when I do, normally this isn't an issue. So the only tape I had on me is regular painter's tape, and I just wrapped it really well so it would stay in place until they can get out here and change it out. I just do the cleaning part. I don't do any repairs, but I took pictures, and I'm going to show the client what they got going on here. So yeah, the inside of these walls now have probably a fair amount of lint down in them, and it's not something I can reach. And so over here, you see those little brown out spots. That's where it's supposed to be coming out. So one of them's about a 5-6 foot length, and then the other one obviously a little bit further over, maybe another 3 feet in length. So I'm making them aware of that issue so they can get it fixed and not have any problems, because if it got really bad and clogged up in there and didn't have anywhere to escape, you do have the risk of a fire. So I used my Boss filter here to catch all the stuff. So let's take a look and see what I got in here. So quite a bit of stuff just for about 10 feet worth of dryer vent duct that wasn't even attached. So I mean, you got quite a bit going on here. And yeah, it wasn't even attached, so who knows when it fell off, and this is what was still in the duct. So I mean, this is one of those 5-gallon paint strainer deals, and it's about full. If I pushed it all the way down, I might be able to fit a little bit more, but it's about, I'd say, 70% full, just between two vents, about 10 to 15 feet worth of duct. So they definitely needed it. Might be the reason why they kind of fell off, or whoever was out here last didn't do a good job on that. What's up, everybody? Nolan of Black Diamond Services. I just finished out a dryer vent job. I'm going to try and connect these videos together. So if you're seeing this, you are seeing it after that little video I did of the dryer vent. So you're going to be not seeing some videos from me for probably about a week. Just so you know, I am going on a little family trip, and we're taking some time to spend with our boys, and we're just going up in the hills over here and rented a place to hang out for a while and have some fun as a family. And so I just wanted to basically tell you guys that. So if you're wondering, because I've been sharing quite a bit of videos lately, I'm trying to keep as many as possible coming in for you guys. I will do them as work comes through, and you let me know what you guys want to see. I saw somebody requested a stripping some acrylic seal and whatnot off of a tile floor. Those are pretty few and far between. When those pop up, it's usually pretty random when I get those, so bear with me on that. You may not see that for quite a while before that pops up. But thank you guys so much for viewing all my videos, for commenting, letting me know what you thought of them. This is really good to know what everybody thinks. And, all your support is greatly appreciated from the start of this channel, which isn't too old. Since I started posting a bunch of videos, I think I'm at like 5 months or so, maybe a little less, and we are basically at 300 subscribers. We may already be there, I haven't looked, so thank you so much for helping me get there. I am still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of March if possible, so with your guys' awesome help, I feel like that is doable. If I get close, then I will certainly be very satisfied with that, as I've come to find out that being consistent and posting as much content as you can is how I'm going to be able to get to that marker. So as long as I hit 1,000 this year, I'll be happy with the results. And again, it's because of you guys watching, commenting, and giving me the thumbs up. That's what helps make these videos show up in other people's recommended areas that like this type of content. I guess that's how YouTube sees it, is by how many likes and comments and such. And though that lets them know that my videos are relevant to what you're searching for, and so I start to show up in people's recommendations more often. So thank you guys so much for doing that. Your help has been great, and I love all the comments. I try and respond to as many as I possibly can. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I just finished 2 dryer vents up in Angels Camp, California. It's a little mountain town, about a 45-50 minute drive from where I'm at. I cleaned a dryer vent at this person's residential home down in town, closer to me, and then after that it came out to being 2 more dryer vents up at this small apartment complex. So I'm very grateful for that. Got me a decent little job in the morning here before we take off to our little trip. So thanks again, guys. I appreciate your support. My name's Nolan, and this is Black Diamond Services. Have a great day.